we're still gonna go to Conflict Islands.
Yeah, and what is the activity that we're gonna do you know?
Snorkeling and turtle releasing.
Wow, why do we have to release the turtle?
Because we have to stand by their sides or else the seagulls will eat them.
Oh my God. I see. Are you excited about that? Let's go.
And attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Baby turtles a better chance to grow strong and healthy. It's like a turtle daycare.
Once the baby turtles are ready, it's time to release them to the beach. This part is super important. They need to find their way to the ocean, just like their mom did.
The journey to the ocean helps the turtles remember the beach. When they grow up, they'll come back to the same beach to lay their own eggs. It's like they have a built-in GPS.
Releasing the turtles helps keep the turtle population strong. Many baby turtles don't survive on their own, so the nursery gives them a better chance to make it to adulthood.
Plus, turtles are very important for the ocean. They help keep it clean and healthy by eating jellyfish and other small creatures. So saving turtles helps save the ocean too.
And that turtle there is a green turtle. We cannot do anything about the shell. People go for the meat only. They love the meat, but for the hawksbills, they go for the shells. Their flesh is sometimes toxic because of the food they eat, so people don't love eating it. But the food that the green turtle eat is similar to people can consume. You look closely to the shells and the bones there. So those are some of the bones that were removed from the turtle. Look closely, you're gonna see all those tiny little holes there. So that's where the turtle, the internal organs, if the internal organ is cooler, the turtle will float up to the surface, and that shell there will catch the heat from the sun, and it goes through. So those are the blood vessels. So the blood vessels are through the bones.
How old is that turtle?
So turtles live up to 90 years.
Wow.
It's their lifespan. So that might be 60 or 70 years because and those are our green turtles there. So you can sprinkle this out. This is a fish pellet from Australia.
Baby turtles need to learn how to survive in the wild. The ocean is their home, and they need to get used to finding food and avoiding predators. If we kept them in the nursery, they wouldn't learn these important skills.
In the nursery, they wouldn't get the chance to swim in the big ocean currents or learn to find their favorite foods. It's like keeping them from going to turtle school.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it. Just don't touch
From behind, okay? Cái mai của nó và cái lưng của nó.
It's a hawksbill.
Turtles are really important for keeping the ocean healthy. They eat things like jellyfish and seaweed, which helps keep everything in balance. By releasing baby turtles, we help keep the ocean ecosystem happy.
Without turtles, the ocean could get out of balance. So letting them go to the ocean helps everyone, not just the turtles.
These guys are picky eaters, kind of like somebody.
Dad!
Hey, careful, careful.
Get it!
Từ từ.
Oh, there we go. He doesn't like fish. He wants mac and cheese. He's eating the fish right here. Yeah. There we go.
He only ate a little bit.
He's picky like you. He's eating a little bit at a time.
Wow, Manny giỏi quá.
There we go. Nice work.
I know, they eat yours.
How's the food, turtle?
Yeah.
How's the food?
Yummy.
It's not salty enough.
Yeah.
You need to be on the water.
Không sao đâu, không sao đâu.
Yeah.
They're probably more scared of you. Imagine you're like a giant to them. Don't do that. They're not gonna see it. Oh, that one saw it. He saw it. Oh yeah.
Sorry.
He saw it. He's like, oh, I want some. Fish again.
Are you happy?
Even though the journey to the ocean is dangerous, it's important for the turtles. It gives them the best chance to grow up and have their own babies one day.
The turtle nursery helps by making sure as many baby turtles as possible make it to the ocean. It's like giving them a head start in life.
Go towards their face.
Ah, you did it.
Really cheap. Hogsbills are really cheap.
See, you can't drop it. Maybe that's the bug.
Come behind Manny, đợi nó turn around đã, ok? Rồi bây giờ con bóc vào hai cái lưng nó, hai cái hông nó, đúng rồi. It's okay.
I'm scared.
It's okay. There you go.
Good job. Don't drop him. Oh, good job. Nice.
Nicely done.
Alright, we start heading back to the...
Do we feel it?
Oh, our shoes are.
So now we are taking the turtle to the sea. Yes. So the turtle's on the boat.
Why do turtles only eat underwater?
They spend most of their life in the water, not out on the land.
So they're not used to.
So they cannot eat on land.
Now we're heading to the ocean to release the baby turtles. We get to snorkeling. While we release them, we can see them swim in the ocean too.
Do you think the turtles are scared to get to the sea?
I think they're actually excited.
Yeah? Oh, that's so cool.
Go. We good?
Oh, you guys gonna be on the boat?
No, we're gonna jump in.
And me with the girl will stay. She's good.
There you go.
He wants to explore.
Gotta go a little there.
Maybe later on.
Yeah, let's see.
Mary,
If you go in, I'll come with
when I
you.
get out, can you touch me?
Sure. Okay, Daddy's down. You'll be fine, Manny. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's cold, it's okay.
Is it actually
It's so cold, it's okay. Hi, Mary, how do you feel?
I feel good.
Nicer now, right? And Daddy's Manny.
Earlier I kind of had seasick, but yeah, it's okay.
Yep. So one at a time.
Right here. It's okay. You don't need to go up yet.
Hi. Hi.
Love you. I saw that. Manny bóc con rùa, Manny bỏ ra rồi đó. Bố thấy Manny không? Manny.
So
A turtle in the sea.
I know, I saw it, I recorded it.
I know, don't come close to the boat.
Don't come.
I found that in the sea.
so much faster with the flippers.
Coi kìa. Oh man, nó bơi một mình. Manny is a good.
I know. It's hard to keep
Nó
up.
không cần noodle luôn, coi nó bơi kìa.
Now we can just swim it like that.
Well done, Manny. Well done.
Manny. Take the flippers off.
Wow, Manny bơi không cần noodle luôn.
Yeah,
Em
these
thấy
good.
nó bơi quẹo. Con pick nó đi. Con pick nó từ đằng sau lưng nó, ngay qua hai cái eo của nó.
I just want to turn it.
I just want to, yeah, turn it that way. Okay, here we go. He's going to move around.
It's
Oh,
okay.
good job. There we go. Don't.
No, try it.
Yeah.
No, Manny.
Wow, it swim dễ thương chưa kìa Mary. Oh, it's so cute. The little one swim really cute.
I'm swimming to you.
Wow, he's fast.
The little one was really fast.
No, he's trying to swim.
Cái con rùa của Mary là nó bơi dễ thương nhất á.
What should we name the one that I released?
That's a good idea. What will you name the turtle that you released, Mary?
Something that has to do with speed because like it was so fast.
Yeah? So, how would you call your little turtle's name?
Dash.
Dash. Okay. Bye-bye, Dash. Hope to see you again. Hope you survive. And how about you, Manny? How would you name your turtle?
Shadow.
Shadow. Oh, it's okay.
Hey guys.
Yeah? What are you doing, Manny?
I'm gonna snorkel.
You're going to snorkel? Okay.
Come on. Come go.
Sure.
Mom, look at the water. Look.
I can't.
I found some
What do you find?
fish.
Wow, cool.
Whitefish.
They packing up.
Yeah, I got
Mary, do you have a good time?
Yes, I want to stay.
I know, this is so amazing, huh?
Hey everyone, can you believe we're at the end of our amazing adventure in Papua New Guinea?
Yeah, it's been so much fun exploring Kiriwini Island and spending 2 awesome days on Conflict Island.
We've learned so much and had so many fun adventures. Thank you all for joining us on this journey.
Yeah, we kind of haven't done it without you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more exciting adventures.
We hope you enjoyed traveling with us through Papua New Guinea as much as we did. Who knows where we'll go next?
Whatever it is, we can't wait to share it with you. See you on our next adventure.
Bye!